Good morning, students. In the last class we discussed Boolean laws or Boolean theorems. Let us discuss logical operators. Logical operators. I have given introduction about logical operators in the last class. Let us discuss in detail. Logical operator. First logical operator is AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. See here, when they ask in terms of operator, you must write AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. This is regarding with the it is regarding with the operations what we are going to perform on binary values. Later there are gates, logic gates, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. The working principle is same, but we are concentrating with the logic circuits there. There we are concentrating on how the circuits are developed and how to give the connection and how to reduce the expression using logic, how to reduce the logic circuits using these Boolean laws and theorems. Further we discuss those things. Now for your syllabus they have given logical operators and logic gates, both are same, but when it comes to operator, how to understand, you have to concentrate on the calculation part, and when it comes to gates you have to concentrate on the symbolic representation and working rule. Now AND operator. See, AND operator, it is a logical multiplication. It performs logical multiplication on two or more inputs or two or more operands. The logic symbol is, or algebraic notation is dot. Now you have to tell the working rule. If all operands are 1, then the result is 1. Otherwise result is 0. So in terms of gates you can say high, low. And Venn diagram, before that let us write the rule. Zero dot 0 is equal to 0. 0.1 is equal to 0, 1.0 is equal to 0, 1.1 is equal to 1. It operates on two or more inputs and it gives a single output. If all inputs are high, then output is high, otherwise output is low. Here high is taken as 1 and low taken as 0. Therefore, whenever all inputs are 1, then output is 1. Next, Venn diagram. See, let us consider this is a set A and this is set B. So when both sets having 1, then the output is high. So we have to write Venn diagram like this. Consider this is set A and this is set B. A, B. So when the output is high, when both inputs are high or when both inputs are 1, so we have to shade here high. high part, ಇದನ್ನ shaded part ನ high ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So where is the shaded part? Here. When both sets having high, then output is high. So it is intersection. Next, OR operator. It performs a logical addition on two or more operands. Algebraic notation is plus. If all operands are 0, all input operands anta tagolona illi, input operands are 0, then the result is 0, otherwise result is 1. So what is the rule here? If all input operands are 0, then output is 0, otherwise output is 1. Here instead of dot you must write plus. Now according to rule, all input operands are 0. Where is the combination? 0, then 0, and remaining cases the value is 1. So when output is high, you have to consider only the output part, and when it is high, in which combination you'll get high value or 1. So when any one of these, if A is high, then also B, this set is A and set B. If B is high, then output is high. If A is high, then also output is high. If both are high, then output is high. So A high idrunu output high irutte. B high agidrunu andre B 1 idrunu ee set alli 1 idru output high, or in combination. So this is union, symbolic representation. Next, NOT operator. So it takes only one input and gives one output. It performs a logical negation or complement on one input, one operand. Algebraic notation is bar or dash. That is A bar or A dash. If input is high or if input is 1, output is 0. If input is 1, then output is 0. If input is 0, then output is 1. Okay. So it operates on only single operand, no? So we have only two possibilities. If input is 0, that is, I'll consider this is input and output. If input is 0, output is 1. Input is 1, output is 0. And Venn diagram, it takes only one argument, no? Or one operand. See, I'll take this shaded part as high. So I'll consider it is A, and this is A dash or A bar. So when they ask you to explain logical operators in detail, you need to write the working rule, algebraic notation, and this table, truth table, and Venn diagram. I hope you understood logical operators. Next, evaluation of Boolean expressions using truth table. Evaluation of Boolean expressions using truth table. First one, x plus yz whole bar plus z bar, x plus yz whole bar plus z bar. So how to evaluate this Boolean expression? How many variables are there? 3 different variables. So we have a 8 combination here. How to analyze how many combinations we have? See, randomly you can write 0, if I write x, y, z, these are inputs. If I take all 0, 0, 0, okay, sometimes x1, y0, z0. Now I'll take x1, y1, z0, then x1, y1, z1. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So in this way we can have a different possibilities, up to 8 possibilities we have, but it takes more time to identify next which combination we'll get. That's why if we use 241 or 8421, if we have a 4 variables we can go for 8421. If we have 3 variables I can use 421. That is binary representation. It will be easy to write the combination here. So you can start from 0. How many variables? 3 variables. 2 to the power of 3. It is a binary representation. No, binary values we have to substitute here because we are dealing with the binary values. It is a Boolean algebra. So every variable can have only 1 or 0. So 2 raised to 3. How many different variables? 3 different variables. So 2 to the power of 3 give rise to 8. Then we have 8 combinations. How to write those combinations easily? We can start from 0 to 7. How to write 0 in 3 bit? 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 1. 2, 0, 1, 0. 3, 0, 1, 1. 4, 1, 0, 0. 5, 1, 0, 1, and 6, 1, 1, 0, 7, 1, 1, 1. So it is very easy to remember also. Next, so now how to evaluate this expression? X plus y z whole bar plus z bar. Actually evaluate means he has to give RHS also, but sometimes they will give expression like this. So you have to write the truth table for this. That is enough. Y z. First we need y. What are the different expressions are there in this expression? Sub expressions. Z bar is there, so I'll write z bar. Y z. Then after that yz whole bar, then x plus yz whole bar plus z bar. Now z bar means it's a complement rule. If it is 0, we have to replace by 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now yz, so nothing is there here, it means dot operator, it is a AND operator, logical AND operation, that is logical multiplication. Yz, 0, 0. If 2 inputs, I must apply AND operation between these 2 variables. So both variables are 0, then output is 0. Any one of the variable is 0, then also output is 0. Here also 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now yz whole bar, yz 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now x plus, how many columns we have to consider here? X column, yz whole bar and z bar. 0, 1, 1. Which operation here? Logical addition operation, that is OR operation. If any one of the inputs is high, that is 1, output is 1, otherwise output is 0. Here x, z bar and yz whole bar, so output is 1. Here 1 is there. If any one of the input is 1, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. y z bar 1 ಇದೆ. Here also 1, 0 ಇದೆ. Now I'll consider this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ 1 ಇದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. z bar 0, x 0, then output is 0. If all inputs are 0, then output is 0 in our operation. Next 1 is there, 1, 1, 1. Here 0 is there, z bar is 0, but x is 1, so output is 1. It is not evaluation, it is a construction of truth table for this expression, but in your textbook they have given the heading like this, evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. Sometimes they'll give both expressions, LHS and RHS expression. Sometimes they'll give only expression. For this expression it is not evaluation, it is construction of truth table for the given Boolean expression. We have constructed truth table. Next, verify using truth table x plus xy is equal to x. Verify, second one, verify using truth table for x plus xy is equal to x. So we have to verify whether this expression is equal to x. We already discussed in a Boolean laws and theorems. It is a absorption law, x plus xy is equal to x. Let us verify using truth table. How many different variables are there in this expression? 2 different variables, x and y. So how many possibilities we'll get, or how many combinations? 4 combination, because 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Let us start from 0, 0, 0. How to write 1 in 2 bits? 0, 1, and 3, 1, 1, 1, 2 and 3. 0 to 3, total 4 possibilities here. So now x, y. So this is dot operator. If nothing is there means it is a logical AND operation. X into y andre x logical AND anta. All inputs are 0, then output is 0. Here 0, 0, 1. Now x plus xy, x plus xy. Between these two columns, we should apply logical OR operation. All inputs are 0, output is 0, 0, 1, 1. Now you can observe this column and this column. These two columns are identical. Therefore, x plus xy is equal to x. Next, verify x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar into y bar. X plus y whole bar is equal to x bar into y bar. So let us verify this. Here also 2 variables, x and y. I'll consider okay, x, y. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, in the LHS part, x plus y whole bar is there. First we shall write an expression x plus y. X plus y. After that we shall apply complement rule on x plus y. And we have one more expression in the RHS. First we need x bar, then y bar. After that x bar dot y bar. Let us apply logical OR operation between these two columns. 0 plus 0, it means 0 OR operation 0. 0, 1, 1, 1. Now, to this column we have to apply complement rule. 0 becomes 1, 0, 0, 0. Now x bar, we have to apply complement rule on this column. 1, 1, 0, 0. Y bar 1, 0, 1, 0. And we have to apply logical AND operation between these two columns, x bar and y bar. All inputs are high, output is high. Any one of the input is low, then output is low. So we can observe these two columns here, x plus y whole bar and x bar dot y bar. So for these combinations, ಈ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 0 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವೆನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 0, ಬೋತ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 0, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 1, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 1. 0 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 0 0, 1 0 0 0, 1 1 0 0. ಸೊ ವೈಲ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಇದೇ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ. Then we can say these two columns are identical. Therefore, x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar dot y bar. Next, x into y bar plus z bar so it is not a verification, it's a construction of truth table. Construction of truth table for the following. Now, x into y bar plus z bar plus x dot y bar. Now, total how many different variables? 3 different variables. So 2 to the power of 3, we will get 8 combination. I'll write here x, y, z, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. I hope you know how I am writing these values. 4 to 6 and 7. Now, what are the sub expressions here? Y bar, z bar is there. X, y bar and z bar. No, we have to write 2 more columns here. Y bar, z bar, y bar plus z bar and x dot y bar. So y bar, z bar, y bar plus z bar and x into, here bracket means ಇಲ್ಲಿ dot ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So it is AND operation, logical AND operation. The question they won't give dot operation, dot operator here. X parenthesis they will give. So what you need to understand here, it's a dot operator, that is logical AND operation. So I'll write x into y bar plus z bar and one more x dot y bar. Now, y bar 0 is there, no? 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Z bar 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬೈನರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 0 1 2 3 4 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 4 zeros 4 ones, 2 zeros 2 ones, 0 1 0 1. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ, 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 8 zeros, 8 ones. Next column 4 zeros, 4 ones. Next column 2 0, 2 1 and 0 1 0 1. Y bar plus Z bar. Logical OR operation. So 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Here x into y bar plus z bar. Between these two columns, x and this column. So which operation? Logical AND operation. 0 1. So answer is 0. 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. X dot y bar. Between these two columns, x and y bar. AND operation, no? 0, sorry. Yeah, this one. 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. Next, A into B bar plus C, B bar plus C plus C bar plus C bar bracket. So if square bracket also you can, when there is a square bracket here, dot operator, that is logical AND operation. Now, how many different variables? 3 different variables. So we have 8 combinations here: A, B, C. 4 zeros, 4 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now, sub expressions. B bar is there, C bar is there. So B bar, C bar. B bar means you have to apply complement rule for this column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Next, C bar 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Next, B bar plus C. B bar plus C. B bar plus these two columns. OR operation 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Next, between these two columns, B bar plus C plus C bar. B bar plus C plus C bar. So these two columns. Plus operation, that is logical OR operation. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Next, A into this expression, B bar plus C plus C bar. So between this column and A column, 0 1. So which operation here? Logical AND operation. 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Here also 1. Next, Logic gates. Here I will discuss only basic gates. Further we have some more gates. So basic gates. See, first of all, before going to logic gates, what is meant by gate? A gate is an electronic circuit which operates on one or more input signals and it gives output signal. Okay. So how to represent those electronic signals in terms of binary values? See here, that high can be taken as 1 and low is taken as 0 in digital electronics. So, AND gate OR gate. Again we will discuss these gates in detail in the logic gates chapter. And NOT gate. So here we need to remember the symbolic representation of these gates. The working rule is same, AND gate. Here when it comes the word gate, you have to say in terms of signals, that is high signal, low signal. When it comes in terms of operator, you have to give values, binary values 1 and 0. In that way we have to give the explanation. If it comes to gate, high, low format, we have to write the explanation. First, AND gate. The explanation is same, the way of presentation is different. It operates on 2 or more input signals and produce single output, and its algebraic notation is dot operator, and logic symbol, I will write only logic symbol here. Logic symbol. So if this symbol is there means we can understand, yes, it is a circuit. This is AND gate circuit. A, B, and the output is A dot B. Next, OR gate. So this is the symbolic representation of OR gate. A plus B, and NOT gate. So it takes only one input and give one output. So this is a bubble. This bubble we have to apply at the output side because it represents the negation. If input is A, output is A bar, NOT gate. So these are the logic symbol of these basic gates. Andre AND gate in the particular symbol yavadu idu, OR gate symbol and NOT gate symbol. So right now you need to remember what are the symbols of AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Next, principle of duality. See, what are the things we are learning now? We will apply these things while solving Boolean expressions. These are all the preparations for solving or to reduce a Boolean expression either in a algebraic method or using K-map method. So that we can reduce the electronic circuits. Principle of duality. It is one of the concepts in Boolean algebra. So what is principle of duality? It states that to obtain dual of any Boolean expression, what we have to do to get the Boolean dual of any expression? First, change all or sign to and sign, that is dot. Second, change all and sign You can write in a single statement. For 3 mark, you have to write 3 steps, 3 explanation or sign. Change all zeros to ones and all ones to zeros. Variable remains same. Variable remain same. So this is the rule of principle of duality. Now how the question will be, write the dual of x plus x bar is equal to 1. So you have to apply the rule here. See, this is principle of duality rule, and the problems on this rule will be like this. They'll give some Boolean expression and you have to write the dual of this expression. Change all or sign to and sign. So plus ididu dot agutte. Change all and sign to or sign. Illi and sign yaudu illa. So hangadre idu apply agutte. Change all zeros to 1 and ones to zeros. Illi 1 ide 0 agi change agutte. Variables remain same. Variables ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ x ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು x ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ. You should not change the variables. So this is the dual of this expression. Next, y plus z x. What is the dual of this expression? Y dot z plus x. Some are the examples on this in your textbook. First one, write the dual of 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. You have to write the dual of this. Change each and sign to or sign or sign to and sign. Here we have or sign, so we have to change into and sign. The dual is 0 ididu 1 agutte, 1 ididu 0 agutte. 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. This is the dual of this expression. Second one, x plus y bar dot x bar plus z dot y plus z. See, complement rule is different from duality. Complement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. x ಇದ್ರೆ x ಬಾರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 0, 0 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x ಇದ್ರೆ x ಬಾರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇಫ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈಸ್ ವರ್ಸಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ದ ಡ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ x plus y bar. ಸೊ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ. y x y bar. Here x bar z, y z. Now let us apply dual rule. Plus becomes dot and dot become plus. Here dot, it becomes plus, this becomes dot. Or you can write it as x y bar plus x bar z plus y z. So this is the dual of this expression. Next, a dot 1 plus b bar dot 0. A dot 1 plus b bar dot 0. So what is the dual of this expression? A, variable remains same. dot become plus, 1 becomes 0, and if plus become dot, b bar it remains same, plus 1. So this is the dual of this expression. Now, next concept. What is the significance of principle of duality? Can you guess the significance of principle of duality? See, we discussed absorption laws in Boolean laws and theorems. Significance. See, we were while discussing absorption law. So there are 4 absorption laws, no? X plus xy is equal to x. And we wrote one more law. By seeing this law, we can derive another by changing these operators. X dot x plus y is equal to x. So observe this. This is a principle of duality. So existing theorem, we have a theorem, this is the absorption law. From this theorem we derived one more theorem by applying principle of duality. So the significance of principle of duality is we can obtain or we can derive a theorem from the existing theorem. Example you have to show. And one more, x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. And one more theorem we can derive from this theorem by applying principle of duality. So x dot x bar plus y is equal to xy. I hope you remember this absorption laws. So we had written these two and we derived these two from these two theorems. So how we derived? We had applied principle of duality. That is the significance. Next, De Morgan's theorem. See, De Morgan's theorem, there are 2 theorems. The De Morgan's first theorem states that A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So there are 4 methods to prove this theorem. One is algebraic method. You'll get a question on algebraic method. Every time they ask algebraic method. So first I'll write methods. Algebraic method. Truth table method. Truth table. Proof by perfect induction. Proof by perfect induction. And logic gate method. Among these 4 methods, let us discuss algebraic method. So De Morgan's first theorem. De Morgan's first theorem. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. And second theorem. A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Let us prove one by one. First one. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So before going to prove this, let us recall Boolean theorems. Some Boolean theorems are there, no? We discussed in the last class. Or relation, and relation, complementary law and involution law, idempotent law, commutative and distributive. So let us apply these laws to prove this theorem. See, this bar we can consider as complement. So we can say complement of A plus B is A bar dot B bar. ಈ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. Are you understanding? X plus x bar is equal to 1, x dot x bar is equal to 0. In andre artha, what does it mean? See, when you add a term with its complement, it has to give 1, then only we can say these two terms are complement to each other. So x is a complement of x bar and x bar is a complement of x. Same, idu kuda satisfy agbeku. X dot x bar is equal to 0. Means a term when it is logically multiplied with its complement, if it gives 0, then only we can say these two terms are complement each other. So when we can say the two terms are complement each other, when you add these two terms, it has to give 1. When you multiply, it has to give 0. Then we can say those two terms are complement each other. In this particular case, x dot x plus x bar is equal to 1. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. We have taken the ones and zeros and we proved this. So we can use this theorem to prove this De Morgan's first theorem and second theorem. So I hope you remember this complementary law. In the next class I will continue this theorem. Thank you.